Hi guys.
Girls. Hey girls.
I mean hey girls.
Not guys.
I'm sorry.
No boys will watch this.
I'm
Only
gonna
gays.
make makeup tutorial. Cause Maxine said.
I have my own video because she wasn't around. So yeah.
I was absent. And I'm gonna use this blush for the foundation.
I thought you're gonna be wrong there. Oops.
You're wrong. Here the Artelesa. It's mascara for
Mascara. Faster.
and here's the
Tianyo.
pink magic lip. Here's the beauty heart. Here's the flower peel palette. Here's the simply pretty. So I'm gonna start. Sorry.
Faster.
Ganun, putting glasses.
Faster! You're making my memory full.
Okay.
You're not.
Okay. Next, the flower peel palette.
Flower pill palette. Ow.
I'm gonna use this light pink, I think. This for the blush. Here.
Faster.
Said faster.
Because you're making my memory full.
Cellphone.
Later. Meow. Meow.
There. Next, mascara.
Mascara.
Again, dashes.
And be careful because I experienced the horror of because I put a mascara wax in my eyeball. Really. But there's no complication in my eyes. My eyes is really good seeing in a good shape. Yeah. There's no side effects. Meow.
I'm gonna use this.
The curler. Oh, wait. In the next video will be a review in the fashion. Uh, we made the
I
dress.
look like I have a pimple.
You have a pimple.
I think.
And the next video will be my makeup tutorial because we wanted to be separate because in our previous makeup tutorial is alternate, so it's kinda difficult to You can use other palettes.
There. I will use this. It again.
Tianya. Magic. Pink
Sienna,
magic.
pink magic lip.
That magic.
Okay. Now we're done.
So that's the easiest one.
If you have, I don't like to use that.
Sorry, just
On
show.
October 1, we have a video.
October 1? October 1? It's October 23.
Ay, October 23.
Today is October 23. Oh man, you can't.
No! On October 31, we will have a makeup again for the horror, for the Halloween.
But it's not like a Monster High, it's just a really simple, quick, easy.
Can I borrow the towel?
So she's removing with my towel.
We wash this towel. That's one. The end.
Huh? Oh. Well, wait. Let's show them your t-shirt. So that could be the competition number 3. So in this Francine's white t-shirt, what is that name? What is her name?
What cartoon?
What cartoon character name? So that will be in competition number 3. So we're gonna have many things to do. And in the deadline, we're gonna hold it in March 26th, my cousin's birthday. So if there's not a holiday in that month, we're gonna do it a like my family's birthday. What? So that's it for that makeup tutorial. So please remember, only in the Philippines will be in the giveaways. And if you're the winner of the other country, we're just gonna give you a shout out. So that's pretty simple. But that shout out is really most popular in our vlog because it's much important than the giveaways because they will know you and who wins. So that's it for Dash Review. So bye.